Corals are marine invertebrates within the Anthozoa class. They typically form compact colonies of many identical individual polyps. Coral species include the important reef builders that inhabit tropical oceans and secrete calcium carbonate to form a hard skeleton. A coral group is a colony of very many genetically identical polyps. Each polyp is a sac-like animal, typically only a few millimeters in diameter and a few centimeters in height. A set of tentacles surround a central mouth opening. Each polyp excretes an exoskeleton near the base. Over many generations, the colony thus creates a skeleton characteristic of the species, which can measure up to several meters in size. Although some corals are able to catch plankton and small fish using their stinging cells on their tentacles, most corals obtain the majority of their energy and nutrients from photosynthetic unicellular of the genus Symbiodinum that live within their tissue. These are commonly known as zooliths and give the coral color. Each coral requires sunlight and grow in clear, shallow water, typically at depths less than 60 meters (200 feet). Corals are major contributors to the physical structure of the coral reefs that develop in tropical and subtropical waters, such as the Great Barrier Reef off the coast of Australia. These corals are increasingly at risk of bleaching events where polyps expel the zooxanthellae in response to stress such as high water temperature or toxins. Other corals do not rely on zooliths and can live globally in much deeper water, such as the cold water genus Lophelia, which can survive as deep as 3,300 meters (10,800 feet). Some have been found as far north as Darwin Mount, northwest of Cape Wrath, Scotland, and others off the coast of Washington state. Also, there are two types of corals: soft corals and hard corals. Soft corals are largely considered to be some of the easiest corals in the hobby. These corals usually lack a calcium carbonate skeleton and have very fleshy polyps. Some of the most popular soft corals to come across are zoanthids and mushroom corals, but there are many species and variations available. Though these corals might seem easy, they can bring unique challenges to the tank, whether it to be displaying a toadstool coral that hasn't opened in weeks or posting xenia that are taking over the rest of the display. When done correctly, they can bring as much color and excitement to the tank as any other species of more advanced coral. Next comes hard coral. Hard coral, for example, are brain coral and other coral that have a lot of calcium carbonate skeleton and are not contain fleshy polyps. But in this video, we mostly talk about and see soft corals, not that many hard corals. For more amazing content and educational videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Life with No Rules, like, and share this video.